Maintaining your garden decor is key to lasting beauty. Use weather-resistant materials like treated wood into beautiful, metal, profitable and durable plastics. Stay tuned for creative ideas and decor to prevent damage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and harsh weather with covers or strategic placement. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Our passion is creating stunning pieces that elevate any space, blending traditional techniques with modern design. We believe that furniture isn't just functional, it's a reflection of style and personality. Our team of skilled artisans meticulously handcrafts each item, ensuring quality and attention to detail. Whether you're looking for elegant dining tables, bespoke cabinets, or unique decorative pieces, we have the expertise to deliver. Our woodworking furniture combines durability with aesthetic appeal, making it an investment that lasts for generations. We source high-quality, sustainable wood to ensure each piece is environmentally friendly and resilient. Our designs are customizable, allowing clients to choose finishes, styles, and sizes that perfectly match their decor. This flexibility helps professionals and homeowners alike to create personalized spaces. The success depends on offering distinctive, eye-catching products. Our woodworking furniture features intricate carvings, sleek lines, and innovative designs that appeal to modern tastes. We also incorporate traditional motifs for those seeking classic elegance. Our team stays updated with the latest trends and techniques in woodworking to ensure our creations are both timeless and contemporary. This fusion of styles allows us to serve a diverse clientele, from boutique hotels to luxury homes, all seeking unique, high-end furniture pieces. Profitability is at the core of our business philosophy. By focusing on quality, customization, and customer satisfaction, we attract repeat clients and referrals. We also maintain efficient production processes to minimize waste and maximize output. Offering competitive pricing without compromising quality enables us to penetrate various market segments. Additionally, we explore collaborations with interior designers and architects, expanding our reach. Our goal is to build a reputation for excellence and reliability, helping professionals grow their businesses while delivering exceptional woodwork furniture. Sustainability and eco-conscious practices are integral to our operations. We source responsibly harvested wood and use eco-friendly finishes and adhesives. This commitment appeals to environmentally aware clients and enhances our brand image. Promoting sustainable practices also opens doors to niche markets that prioritize green living. Moreover, recycled or reclaimed wood can be transformed into beautiful, rustic furniture, adding character and story to each piece. Combining sustainability with craftsmanship not only benefits the planet but also creates a compelling selling point that increases market demand and profitability. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.